What is up, guys? Show you how to make a ringtone in under 3 minutes. Alright, here we go. Go to iTunes, open it up, shut your wife up, and then click the song you want. Go to File under iTunes.
Ow, you're really hurting me.
Oh shit. Convert.
Go!
To AAC version.
Go!
Once that is done downloading, you will hear that. Then you go to Get Info, go to Options, go to Start Time, whatever time you want to start at. Say you want to start at 37, so you go 37. Okay. Okay, go away. Okay, let's go to 33. Awesome. And okay.
65.
That's 5. Okay, you gonna put a real time in or what? This is supposed to be like under like 3 minutes here. You make.
Oh.
Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, you stop? Trying to like do something here. Let's say 1 minute. Oh. There you go. That works. Okay, 101, guys. Play it. Make sure it's good.
She's on my material to the ground and bring it back. Drop that kitty down low.
That was perfect. Alright, I need that back. Oh my
Taking it out.
Oh god. Alright, from that one, now that you got your AAC version, your ringtone, you want to do it again, go to File, Convert, AAC version, the one that you just made, and you will see the time here, 28 seconds. So you can go ahead and delete this guy. Okay, move the trash away to make sure it works. Okay, it works. Now, you want to go back to File, you want to go to Show Importer, and now, what you want to do is this one right here with A, you want to get Info, and if you can't see this, it'll be under Name and Extensions, and change the A to R.
I come to a dinner party and think I'm gonna freaking eat.
Hit the R. Oh god, it's so complicated. What would you do? Alright. Okay, don't hit Z, hit R. Not 4. Hit R. Okay. Then hit X. It'll ask you to keep or use. You want to use the N4R. Okay, now if you play it, it doesn't add it to the ringtone.
Give it to me, give it to me now. Send me the pics and the videos. Ooh, she's on material. Here we go. Here we go. I got a bad one. Let's shake that if you got a bad one.
So, you want to get it out of that folder. And then go to it here and delete it. And then put this back in this folder. Play it.
Give it to me, give it to me now. Send me the pics and the videos.
There you go.
Give it to me, give it to me now.
Once it's in this folder, guys, all you do is double click and add it.
Here we go. Here we go. I got a bad one.
No longer in
You got a
music,
bad one.
but in your tones right here. Then all you gotta do is put your phone up, get your phone, now it'll be right here, go to tones, sync, apply, done. If you like this video, guys, hit the like button and subscribe.
Don't subscribe!
Or don't subscribe, I don't care. Peace.